Not that rock. That's too big.
Oh,
Say, baby. Hello. Come on, baby. Tell her. Say, go play in the water.
Go play in the water. That's a lot now.
I don't know. She's scared. Big muddy rock.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Can you throw it? I think it's pretty heavy. You think you can throw it? Oh, goodness.
It's mud. My fingers are muddy.
Oh, no. That's okay. We'll clean them up when we get home.
No. Yeah, lick them.
Do what?
Lick them.
Lick them? Do you want me to lick mud off?
Yeah.
No, you don't lick mud off.
Ew. You put mud on me.
Baby put mud on you.
Yeah.
Baby. Quit putting mud on him. Did she get you all muddy?
Yeah. My fingers got muddy.
She's climbing up on me, trying to. Baby, careful.
Get my muddy fingers off of my fingers. Come on.
Okay. You gotta say please.
Please.
Show me how old you are.
How about I just wipe them off on the rock?
That's a good idea. Okay. Or how about you just wipe them off on your pants? How's that? Is that a good idea?
No, I like them on the rock.
Okay. Well, you could also wipe them off on the pants. I'll put new clothes on you when we get home, okay? Alright? Just wipe them off on your clothes. There you go. Does that feel better? Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, how old are you?
That's many.
That many? How many? 3?
Yeah.
Okay.